Do you know that? Before alarm clocks were affordable, there were professional knocker-uppers, two white people up for work. The knocker-up used a baton or short, heavy stick to knock on the client's doors or a long and light stick, often made of bamboo, to reach windows on higher floors. A knocker-up's job was to rouse sleeping people so they could get to work on time. By the 1940s and 1950s, this profession had died out, although it still continued in some pockets of industrial England until the early 1970s. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel for more videos like this.